The DMV is a very complicated administrative body in that it's hard to get a clear answer on certain questions. Every state has a different Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV. The question that often gets asked is, okay, the points that I have on my license here, because Colorado has a point system, do the points that I have on my Colorado license carry to Texas, for example? If you're moving or if you're traveling, or if you're originally from Texas and you come here and you get a ticket that involves points. The answer is no. So the idea is this. The way that points work, generally speaking, points are a state by state thing. So in Colorado, you have a privilege to drive. Whether you have a license or not, you have a privilege to drive in Colorado. If you do something that affects that privilege and points get taken away from you, you can lose points in Colorado. That does not mean then that you're going to lose points in another state, because that state hasn't had you violating their laws and making you lose points with them. But there are certain things that can impact other states. So it's not a nationwide reporting system. It's not like all DMVs are connected and you have a certain number of points in all states. Points vary, the ways you get points vary. Some states don't even have points. But there are certain things that can cause you to have your license revoked. So if you have, in Colorado, the limit of points is 12 points in a given year. So if you get 12 points taken off your license, you have no privilege to drive and your license is suspended. If your license is suspended in Colorado, that can and normally does suspend your license in another state, because that state will be able to see, well, Colorado thinks this person shouldn't be driving, so we're not going to let them drive here until they clear up whatever is in Colorado. But the points themselves do not transfer between states. Again, it is kind of a complicated process, so if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text at Right Law Group at 719-822-6227, and we'll help you get through this process and answer as many questions as we can for you.